Fiery Automation Package. Be more productive with automation. The Fiery Automation Package is a suite of tools designed to streamline print workflows, reducing manual steps and increasing efficiency. Available for embedded Fiery servers, running Fiery FS400 system software, or later as a term-based license that can range from 1 to 5 years. Its key features include Fiery Preflight identifies potential file issues like missing fonts, low-resolution images, and errors in spot color matching and definitions before printing, minimizing waste. Fiery Hot Folders automates job submission through drag-and-drop functionality, allowing users to process multiple files with consistent print settings. Fiery Virtual Printers simplifies the printing process by enabling administrators to create predefined print configurations, ensuring consistent output and reducing setup time. Fiery Job Flow Base, a browser-based workflow solution that automates pre-press tasks like image enhancement, color settings, and imposition, facilitating the production of print-ready files with minimal manual intervention. Advanced Job Management offers queue management controls, allowing operators to prioritize jobs and manage print schedules effectively without disrupting ongoing production. If you're looking to minimize manual intervention and enhance your print workflow, the Fiery Automation Package is your solution. It reduces job touchpoints, leading to a more efficient and productive operation. Visit our website for more information.